We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for investing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see a chat interface where you can start interacting with ChatGPT. To get investment insights, you can start by asking ChatGPT about the latest investment trends or specific stocks you're interested in. Type in a question like, "What are the current trends in the stock market?" Or, "Can you provide insights on Tesla stock?" ChatGPT will generate a response based on its training data up to 2023. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool for information and analysis, but it does not provide personalized investment advice. It's best used for researching general market conditions, understanding financial terminology, and getting a broad overview of investment strategies. You can also ask ChatGPT to explain complex financial concepts or to summarize recent financial news. For example, you could ask, "Explain what a diversified portfolio is," or "Summarize the latest news on cryptocurrency." Keep your questions clear and specific to get the most accurate information from ChatGPT. It's important to cross-reference the information you get from ChatGPT with other reliable financial sources, and consult with a financial advisor for personalized advice. ChatGPT is continuously evolving, so stay updated with any new features or updates that might enhance your investing research. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.